Okay, y'all. I got the McDonald's stuff. McDonald's Happy Meal for adults. Pretty cool, y'all. This is my first time. I tried to do it, I think it's last year. I tried to do it, and they were sold out. So I think the box is heavy. My first time. I don't know who I'm gonna have. I got me a Coke. I didn't even know these was out. Usually they got one lady I watched, they had grease on theirs. I don't have no grease on mine nowhere. I got your Big Mac. They didn't give me no fries. I mean, no. Okay. The fries fell over and it got grease in there. Close the door and go back in your room, baby. Okay, go in your room and shut the door. Shut the door. Hold on just a minute, y'all. Okay, y'all, we had a long day today. They are tired. I got that. I'm gonna do this. I don't know how to set this up where y'all will just see it. Like that. Yeah, I'm trying to really make this work. Okay, my son came over. So, yeah, I'm gonna sit there right there. Yeah, I don't need to see so much of me. I just want y'all to see the box from McDonald's. And see what I got. I got the Big Mac. I'm really hungry. I end up giving that to one of the kids. Yeah. I just try my best to do what I need to do. Today we celebrated my grandson. Well, y'all get this on the 14th. Y'all been on seeing it. Y'all been on seeing it. But I celebrate my grandson and my daughter's birthday. So, but I feel like if I would have waited, I would have missed out again. It's a cute little box. I don't know if it was a year ago or 2 years ago. when they did the other one. My daughter's so tired, she over there asleep. It's so sloppy. It's really sloppy. I love the purse. My grandson's daddy's girlfriend bought this. Yeah. She got good taste. And she bought her this. She was real nice. And she got her this and this. She real nice. And it's my grandson's dad's girlfriend. She bought it. Oh, and she got her this. She's a sweet little young lady. How did y'all, how y'all day going? Sunday going. That's where y'all getting this on a Sunday. Y'all, this is so sloppy. Look at this. Oh, God, I could dump it in my lap. Okay. I feel good. Whew. So I got this. I don't know which one. Stop your video and let me know down below who y'all think I got. Let's look at the box. Pretty box. It's a study box. It's pretty good. I hate it because I feel like I gotta throw up. Dude. I don't like to eat when I'm not hungry. I don't know, it's like, if it's stress that makes me not hungry. Oh, I told her they in the box. I don't know. I really don't crave food. That's a couple want to throw up. Okay. Hold on. So they got it wrapped up like a nugget, I guess. My surprise. Ooh, excuse me. Oh, I ain't seen nobody get this one. Oh, I might keep her. She's a keeper. Look at her. And the plastic is hard. Look at her. I'll probably let my grandbaby play with. Look at that girl. Look at that little old feet. Look at that girl. You could just dress like that. I don't know. I might collect these. I might buy this for my oldest daughter. And I mean, you know, buy the meal for her. And she got her little picture. A good little cord too. See? Yes. So y'all, that's it. I like this cute little toy. But I was trying to get a little dessert. Like the little holiday cups. These. They be trying to stay up there. Oh, God. I'm not going to really eat this whole thing. Because as y'all know, I'm not. I just try it. It's a holiday pie from McDonald's. I don't know. I always break them in half. Okay, hold on, y'all. Can y'all see? My glasses won't let me see if y'all see that good. Y'all let me know how I be doing. You know what? What hurts the most is when y'all subscribe and I don't, something comes up, I don't keep it going. It's like pudding. It's like pudding. It's cute though. It's warm. Yeah, I think I'm gonna start eating one time a day and start drinking water because I don't like the feeling of want to throw up. I don't like that feeling. So I think start next month, I'm just going to eat one time a day and drink a lot of water. Keep my water going. And I might get like some Ensure or something. Because I don't like when I get through eating, what y'all see me do is cough. And then I'll just be ready to gag. I just have to pray about it because I don't know what's going on with my body. It wants to reject food, really. But I think you don't do it all the time, but you do more than it should. Yeah, I'm gonna say that for my daughter. It's good. I don't want to throw up. If I keep pushing too much, I will. Sorry. Talking about that. But, yeah. Ain't she pretty, y'all? She got a little cord. I might keep her and collect them. Because they made out of good plastic. So, the toy, y'all know what a Big Mac tastes like. McDonald's fries. Y'all rate that. I ain't rating it. But this toy, I give it a 10 out of 10. I like them. They're a good collectible. And I'm going to try to collect them. And you know what? I might give it to my sister. Because she collects things. But I don't know if she collects these. But these are so cute. Just look at that. Look at these. They hard plastic. You could knock somebody out with this thing. Why would you? But I'm just saying, that's how hard it is. Look at the little shoes. I haven't seen nobody with this one. I've seen the other ones. I don't think I've seen her either yet. But I think I've seen the other ones. I'm not for sure. I don't think I've seen none of the men. But I like it, y'all. I'm still a kid at heart. I could be 56 years old, but I'm still a kid at heart, y'all. I'm a kid. You know, I think I got stuck back then when I think I stuck in the age of 10 or 15. I'm not a full adult, y'all. I don't even feel like it. But yes, I'm gonna let y'all go. Y'all have a blessed day. Keep God first in everything you do. I had a very long day. But what I was telling y'all before I cut it out all the way is that subscribe. It don't cost anything. Give me a chance to try to come up with it. I mean, I did a whole one other day, and then I turned around and did another day. Who is that? You leaving? Oh, okay. Okay. So, I'm just going to, what is it? Just always keep God first in everything you do. Let me go talk to my daughter right quick. Bye-bye.